Section A, question number 10. If in two triangles, triangle DEF and triangle PQR, angle D equal to angle Q and angle R is equal to angle E, then which of the following is not true? ഇതാണ് ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ഡി ഇ എഫ്, ഇത് പി ക്യു ആർ. ആംഗിൾ ഡി ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു ആംഗിൾ ക്യു, ആംഗിൾ ഇ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു ആംഗിൾ ആർ. സോ ബൈ എ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി, triangle DEF and triangle PQR are similar, so their corresponding sides will be proportional. Triangle DEF similar to triangle QRP by AA similarity criteria. Therefore, their sides D by QR is equal to DF by QP is equal to EF by RP. Corresponding sides are proportional. Comparing these with the given choices, choice D will be wrong answer. D by QR equal to DF by PQ. ഇത് ട്രൂ ആണ്. ബി EF by PR equal to DF by PQ. This also true. EF by RP equal to D by QR, D divided by QR. This also true. D by PQ ഇത് true അല്ല. This cannot be true because the ratios are not proportional.